everyone! Thank you for visiting the Cook the World channel. The main part of this channel is to show you how to cook Japanese food with stuff you can get in the States. Today, we are going to show you how to cook Japanese steamed rice. What you need to get is not jasmine rice, not long grain rice, this one, enriched rice. Congratulations! Now you are ready. Please relax. First, take a cup of rice. I just took 2 cups of rice today. Rinse the rice with water. No soap, just water. Repeat rinse a couple of times until water is clear. Okay, then let's fill up with the fresh water. The amount of water is this much. Put your hands on the rice and water should be around your back of your hand. Then get a lid on the pan. Now we are going to heat it up. Make sure you heat it on high. Wait till a little bubbling comes over the pan. You may feel bubbling from the pan. Once it started boiling, then you can set low heat. Keep the low heat for 10 minutes. Looks like this at this moment. But actually, you are not supposed to open the lid till the water is gone. Then stop heating. After stop heating, keep it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Please do not open the lid. Inside the pan, all the steam is working for your delicious rice. Look at this! Now you get beautiful rice. Thank you so much for watching the video. We are going to upload many simple, quick, easy Japanese food videos. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give thumbs up. I will see you in the next cook. Bye!